Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'm a chemistry and physics teacher for over 25 years. And today we're going to check out an artificial intelligence program specifically for teachers called teachology.ai. And what I'm going to try to do here is take from the New York State Science Learning Standards, which, by the way, are the next gen science standards plus a little bit more, and see if we can build a unit for teaching using this program. It's an online program. Let me show you. I've already checked out in another video about making a lesson and an assessment. And here again, today we're going to try building a unit. You can get started for free. If it's free, it's for me. You go ahead and you just register. And even the pricing is not bad. To show you is either $6 a month or $12 a month. And if you pay annually, you get in 2 months for free. What could be better than that? Especially when it comes to the science standards in New York. We're just gearing up now. The earth and space science and the biology courses are changing in high school, and chemistry and physics to follow. What you're looking at right here are the New York State Science Learning Standards, and we're going to take a look at one of these highlighted standards, this HS-PS1-9. This is about the gas laws. Anything that's highlighted on the New York State Science Learning Standards is in addition to the next gen science standards, and this is all about gas laws. So I might end up copy and pasting a few things here. Let's see what we can incorporate. The other thing is looking at the science and engineering practices related to number 9, the disciplinary core ideas, and the cross-cutting concepts. Let's see what this program can do. I went ahead and clicked on design units, and now we're going to build a unit. And let's just check out what happens. It says, what do you want to create your unit on? And this is required. Well, we want to create a unit on the New York State P12 Science Learning Standards, and it's this one. I'm just going to put that in and see if it does anything. Let me pause this. I'll type it in, put in the Science Learning Standard according to New York State. We're going to go ahead and scroll down. It says how many segments, weeks, or chapters. Let's just put 6. That's what's here. We're going to put it in English, and let's go ahead and generate the unit. While we're waiting, if you like what you're seeing and hearing, if you don't mind signing up for my YouTube channel, I'd really appreciate it. Also, the link for this program is in the description. If you go ahead and you click on that link and you end up buying subscription to this online program, then I get a little reward from the people that work for the program. So no matter what, I thank you. Let's keep going. Here it is. Let's go ahead and scroll down. Now they give us a description talking about chemical reactions, reaction rates and factors, hands-on lab experiments. This is very generic because we know based on the science standards, we're talking gas laws here. This is not what I was looking for, which means we have to go back to the beginning and start over. And let's put more information in this time and give it another shot. I'm back here at my Designing Units homepage. You see the first unit of work that we attempted. Let's try this again. I'm going to click on Build Unit. And what do I want to create? This time now I want to pull the information from the Science Learning Standard, the HSPS1-9, see if that works better. Now, key points you're trying to cover, I think we'll put in, if I go back to the standards, we'll put in the clarification statements. Let me go ahead and set this up. Before I hit the button to create the unit, let me go over with you what I just inputted. The performance expectation from the standards, I put here as the unit we want to create. And then the key points, what I did was I went back to the learning standards and I found anywhere in the science and engineering practices, the core ideas and cross-cutting concepts. You can see it here because I highlighted it. Anything related to this number 9 performance expectation, I went ahead and put into the program. I decided to put this at 4 weeks for the unit, And I'm going to go ahead and click on the unit draft here, and we're waiting. When you sign in for free, you have a 24-hour period, and they give you, I believe it's up to like 10 credit to go ahead and work with the program for free. Here is this unit. And now you also have the opportunity, of course, to edit it. Remember, it's using the wording I put in. First thing I would do is maybe change the title if you do have to submit lesson plans, right? And I would just change it to gas laws or something like that. And let's check out the description now. Unlike last time, it's discussing the whole idea of ideal gases and the combined gas law. This is good because this is exactly what we were looking for. Then we have our learning objectives and outcomes. If you are required to go ahead and let's say relate them back to something like Bloom's taxonomy, or looking for the buzzwords here of analyze or evaluate. There's that 5E model, for example, then you can pull it right from here. That's pretty cool. As we scroll down further, we see different sections in the unit. This one, they're recommending direct instruction for understanding the concept of the ideal gas and how it behaves in response to changes. And you'll notice there's a button to create a specific lesson for this and a button to create a specific assessment. Then we have data collection through experiments, and the program is recommending that this be an inquiry-based type of exercise with students. And there are some really good simulations out there. The one that comes to mind first would be checking out Colorado PHET, PHET, for their simulations. They have some really good chemistry and physics simulations. They're online that the students can do. Highly recommend that. Interpreting and representing data. This is looking at graphs and mathematical models. And here they recommend maybe doing some sort of project. Again, direct instruction as far as combined gas law, PV over T is equal to PV over T. I have to say, I like this. It's not specifically detailed. You would have to click on each one of these and create a lesson, but I like the fact that they went ahead and came up with a unit for gas law. I really recommend that you check this out for yourself. The link is in the description below. Do think that this is a good program. After checking out the unit, we learned a couple of things. Make sure you put in more specific information coming right from the science learning standards, and you could build this unit pretty quickly. And that's really the main point of this. Why would I even want to use this program? It's going to save you time. And with that, then it frees you up to do other things. It's already typed out for you. You can go ahead and export it or download it and set up all your lessons then and tweak them from there. I really do think that this is worth it. You can go ahead once you've run out of your free tasks here, and let me go up to here, right? I can perform 12 more actions in a 24-hour period, even if you sign up for a month or two and set everything up. I think that this is worthwhile. It's not completely free, but it's pretty darn close. With that, if you don't mind signing up for my YouTube channel, I'd really appreciate it. More videos on resources to come your way, and have a great day.